Do you like your huckleberries? Can you say berry?
The berry.
That's good. Huckleberry.
Yeah.
Haley, can you say I love you? Can you say I love you?
Hello. Hello.
No. No, I love you.
Hi.
Haley, who's this?
Baby bird.
Who is it?
Oh, baby bear's not hungry. Who is that?
Egg.
Oh, that's a berry.
Who is this?
Baby.
Wait, put him behind your back and then pull him out.
Haley? Who is this?
Baby bird. Baby.
Baby bear. Haley, can you say I love you?
Hello.
Can you say yummy berries?
Yum.
Berries.
Baby.
Can you do your alphabets?
Good.
Care why she's eating.
Can you sing?
Each day. Up. Okay.
More berries?
More.
More what?
Okay. Okay.
More berries?
More.
You say please?
Please.
Please berries?
Please.
Berries.
Baby.
Okay, bye.
We're fine.